Hey guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE in our house, and so now we are unboxing the same. So let's break this seal here. So this is the device. This is cool mint color. I have bring it cool mint color through the Amazon Great Indian Festival, from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. This is cool mint color. Let's keep this aside. These are the few documentation. This is the type C cable. This is the type C cable. And this is 15-watt Samsung charger. Let's see, is there anything in the box? Nothing is there. So this is it. Probably a SIM ejector tool is inside. Let's look at the phone. So if you're looking, this is a very premium device under the budget range phone. The total cost of this device is 47,000, but in the Amazon Great Indian sale, I'll get this device by 27,000. So if you see the overall, it's a 6.5 inches screen. On the side, it's a metal frame. If you see here, it's a metal frame, and it's a Super AMOLED screen. With a Super AMOLED screen, we will get the maximum 9 to 10 5G band here. So you will get the support from the almost 9 to 10 5G band. If you see on the back, there is a 12 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 8 megapixel micro lens. If you see, these are the 5G antenna band. Okay. And this is the type C port. This is the speaker grill, and this is the microphone. And if you see on the right, there is a volume up and down, volume rocker key, and this is the start key basically. So I'm just starting the mobile. Switch on the mobile. Yeah. So it is opening now. So we'll give you the detailed review of this particular device. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and do like, comment and subscribe about our unboxing experience. Thanks for watching this video.